Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Upwork, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Upwork, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.upwork.com and press enter. Wait for the Upwork homepage to load completely. On the top right corner of the page, locate the login button and click on it. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you can choose to log in with your email or via Google or Apple. If you prefer using your email, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Once you log in, you may be prompted to verify your identity with two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After successful login, you will be taken to your Upwork dashboard. From here, you can explore job listings, messages, and your account settings. If you encounter any issues during the login process, ensure that your email and password are correct. For further assistance, visit Upwork's Help Center. This concludes the step-by-step guide on how to log into Upwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.